I'm here on top of Bernini's colonnade. In about half an hour, the Cardinals are going to gather in Pauline Church for a prayer service before moving to the Sistine Chapel. Not everyone who originally goes to the Sistine Chapel will vote in the conclave, and then at some point the Cardinal will say extra omnes, everyone out. So everyone who's not directly involved in voting in the conclave, get out because it's about to begin. So everywhere apart from the Sistine Chapel remains open. You can see the lines of pilgrims there still going into the basilica. You can see, if we pop our heads around the corner, immediate vantage point there. There's one much further down the street also. There's also some people who live around the Vatican who it's really payday for them occasions like these, because the likes of ABC, CNN, BBC, a lot of media broadcasters, they essentially rent out someone's apartment and set up camp there, and from there they've a nice view of the basilica. And obviously it's from this central balcony, you can see the curtains parted. That's where the Pope's going to emerge from. It won't happen tonight. We're expecting black smoke at around 6:30 p.m. Irish time, but it could be tomorrow afternoon or Friday morning that we see a new Pope. And I suppose it would be quite surprising if it went into Saturday. We're expecting something probably tomorrow afternoon or sometime Friday.